today we are discussing sales tip number 33. We are in the series of avoiding top 3 mistakes in proposal writing, and today we are discussing the third mistake to avoid, which is too much time and too much about yourself. So let me explain about this. When I work with many entrepreneurs, when I understand them, what is that proposal response time? Meaning the customer is saying, hey, send me the proposal. Some of the entrepreneurs or sales executives I interact with, they take 5 days, 7 days, 10 days to send the proposal. Do you think the customer is going to wait till the time? Unless you are writing a $500,000 or a $1 million or a multi-million-dollar proposal, where there is enough time, enough planning is done, I'm okay with that. You waiting for 1 week and 10 days. But if the proposal, the value is not that big, it means the problem is not that big, then people are not going to wait for 1 week and 2 weeks for your proposal. And if you take that much time, your competition will send the proposal in 1 day or 2 days, and they are going to have the next level discussion, and the deal would have been closed before you send the proposal. Okay, so don't take too much time because you want to make it very perfect. People want to read more and perfect. No, it doesn't going to work. So to save time, have your own proposal template. And when you are having an interaction with the customer, ask right question, understand their problem. Even sometimes ask them, what do you expect in the proposal? Smart salespeople, when they build the relationship, they are having courage to ask, hey sir, what do you exactly want in the proposal? So the customer will tell you, I want maybe your approach plan, your timelines and cost. That's all. Then you have to give only that. Or your solution framework. Whatever he or she is asking for, only give that. And your turnaround time should be 1 day or 2 days, maximum 3 days, based on the size. For my training coaching proposals, I generally give it on the same day or 24 hours. That's my timeline. Okay. So don't take too much time. And the second part is too much about yourself. In some of the proposal document I saw, the first 5 pages will be about the supplier details. The person who is sending the proposal, he or she will write about their company, how 20 years they have done that, what are the deals they have won, who are their great customers. Friends, when a customer is asking you a proposal, he or she is in a problem and is expecting a solution. Do you think they will have time to read about your great stories in the first 5 pages? That too? No. So in your proposal document, don't talk about yourself. It is not needed. Nobody's gonna give you a mind to it. If you want to talk about yourself, have it as a separate document, your profile, your achievement, and send it along with the proposal in the mail as a separate document. If somebody is interested, they will see it. Okay. So don't talk about you in the proposal. Okay. So the third mistake to avoid is don't take too much time. Don't talk too much about yourself. So when you avoid all these mistakes, your proposal will be very good and it will stand out from the rest of the crowd, and it increases your probability of winning.